Man, there's a lot of birds now.
Yeah, it's starting to smell like chickens around here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's starting to smell like chickens. Wait, look at that little one.
Uh-huh.
He's just safe right there. Oh.
You gonna feed him?
That's cool.
Hey, you gonna feed them?
Yeah, I'm gonna feed him.
Toss one out. Get their attention.
Nobody saw it.
Nobody saw it.
Oh, that one saw it.
Oh, that one. Oh, let me try to attract him. Oh.
Oh, she made a sound like, nah, it's mine.
No one saw that one.
No. They didn't see him, Joe. You gotta see him. You gotta get their attention. You gotta go like this. Come here, chick.
Throw. Oh, that one's fine.
Throw.
That's cute.
Does he see it? He sees it. What is that?
Meow. They just keep fighting for it.
No, they don't even know you've got them yet.
Oh.
Oh, there's more of them getting attention on it now. They're like, what is that? Oh, those are good. Now this guy wants one. Get off me, horsefly.
Oh, he's right.
What is it? Oh, you better get that. Yeah, you better get it. That's good stuff. Grapes are amazing.
Oh.
I don't think they can really see them, Joe. Let me see one. Put one in my hand. Huh?
Yeah, they can see him. He's like, that's my food. No, that's my food. No, that's my food.
Is it good?
These guys are crazy.
Where you going? Cutie.
Meow. Oh, one of the chickens ran over.
I saw that. He like almost stepped on
Oh,
it.
there's one right by you. Oh, it was behind you. Now it's over on the other side.
Yeah, they always circle around me.
Oh. I think that's like a sign for hugging.
I don't know.
Yeah. Oh. That one just saw the green one. So. Have it. Oh my gosh, yeah, they're all running. Yeah. Oh, that one saw. Alright, I'm going rapid.
Go get it.
Alright, I'm going rapid fire mode. Oh, there's a lot. Meow. That one.
Listen.
Meow.
Do you hear that one? Do you hear that one calling? I didn't know.
Yeah, they're like, I have found food, I found food. I have no more berries left. I have no more left.
That's it. When you run out, you run out. We'll have lots more in about a month. All the grapes come in, and we'll be feeding them grapes.
I agree.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Some of them really like it. Some of them go, eh, not for me. What in the world has she got in her mouth? Hey, what do you got, dog? What are you getting into? Coco, you knucklehead. Look at her. I caught her. Look how sad she looks. Look how sad she looks. I caught her. She had something in her mouth. It's banana peel. Right there.
Banana peel?
Banana peel. That's why she's so gassy. Girl, that's why you gassy. Because you be eating that banana peel. Don't eat that banana peel. It's gross.
Banana peel.
She's such a banana peeler.
Yeah, it's just a freaking
All right.